What's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I decided to show you guys how I made this really quick and easy and cute bobby pin hairstyle. And to me, it's like so simple, but it's such a cool way to elevate your hair. It's so easy. Believe it or not, this is 7th day hair. I'm just not ready to wash it. Who likes wash day? I really don't. So I was trying to just extend my hairstyle at least one more day and still look cute and not have my hair looking busted. Kind of look like I care a little bit, which I do. I went ahead and put my hair in this style and I actually feel, put together and cute, and I wanted to share it with you. The best part about it, aside from it being easy to do, is that you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I've seen really cute bobby pins that are all fancy. So say you're going out, you could kind of do that instead of using plain colored bobby pins. It's really cool because you can just customize it to whatever it is that you're in the mood for. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. I'm starting off on this week-old wash and go, and I need to do something with it. I'm using a comb to start parting 2 sections in the front. At this point, I realize I don't need the comb because the parts don't need to be perfect, as you can see. Putting up the back of my hair for now. I grab my water bottle to dampen my hair a little. Now I'm going to use the comb to make a side part because this is actually going to be visible. Grabbing my tangle teaser to detangle these 2 front sections. Then I'm gonna apply my handy dandy Eco Style gel. Detangle one more time. Using a bristle brush to smooth down the front. Now I'm just gathering the 2 parts at the nape of my neck and securing them together with an elastic hairband. Simply styling my edges a little, and of course, this part is optional. Now I'm going to put these large bobby pins in these 2 front sections. I realized after I let my hair down that I wanted to add a few more to the top section that was more visible. Can't forget my hoops. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're there. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!